Hey there, welcome to my channel where we talk about digital marketing news, trends, and also sometimes about scams. And today's topic is all about one particular scam which is running around, which is, to quote Mumbai Mirror, 28-year-old duped of 8.6 lakh in a like and earn scam. So, this is typically what's happening right now as we speak, and I just wanted to highlight what is this because I have actually gone through the scam myself. Coincidentally, on the day this came out in the newspaper, luckily even I got someone messaging me on WhatsApp that would you like to be part of the like and earn scam. I mean, of course they wouldn't use the word scam, but it was very interesting. So in this whole video I'm going to take you through what you can do to actually avoid such scams and what are the next steps you need to take. But before that, please do consider about subscribing me and following me back. Have you ever come across these WhatsApp messages that are from a international number, of course an unknown name, and at the same time what they are talking about is you just need to simply come and subscribe to a particular channel on YouTube or like it, or even look at just commenting on the YouTube video, and you will earn 150 rupees, 100 rupees, or maybe even more. This is only the first step where they will like it, you will probably subscribe to it, and at the same time you will end up getting engulfed into their madness. Now, how does this happen? What's basically happening is they will ask you to message first, then send a screenshot that you have liked, comment or shared, irrespective what they are looking at, and at the same time they're going to come across the screenshot from you, and they'll tell you that please go and send that screenshot to a particular number on Telegram. And once you go on Telegram, that person would be ensuring that you're confirming that you have received, and they will ask for your contact details like your name, phone number, and on that phone number you'll receive the 150. This is all happening in a spit of about 10 minutes, 15 minutes on. And then there will be silence. Now the next day, again there would be the same process, and what they will be doing is asking you about the same task, and they will say, do you want to earn even more? And the moment you jump into from 150 to 1500 to 3000, and in a span of a few tasks, you're completely, into their wound. Now what I mean by that is that in this scam, typically what's happening is the tasks are very simple. It's just about liking, sharing, or even subscribing or registering on some cryptocurrencies. And they will tell you that every time you touch a threshold of 4 or 5 tasks, only then you will be able to withdraw or rather claim that money. So the first two would be very easy about YouTube, liking or commenting. And the third one would be registering on something which I'm sure you wouldn't want to go and register on something. And you are stuck. And should I lose that 300, 400 rupees, or should I go ahead and do this just one more? Because like me, you would have gone greedy. So my suggestion is, the moment you see these messages, they seem very compelling. It is very easy to get engulfed into them and think about, it's just about, matter of few seconds for me to do this. I'll send a screenshot, earn some money and get it over with. But trust me, do not get into these scams. As a matter of fact, the moment you see this, please report it to WhatsApp. Please report it to the, to the cops if possible. And if you, mention this to the cyber community, or if you mention it to the cyber police, or you mention it to the WhatsApp, report it and block that number. There are already, all of these are alerted. They are waiting for these numbers, and they are taking the task at hand to get and find out these people and end this to the core. So please be aware about such messages. 1, don't get into the hassle of thinking about making fast money. 2, please report and ensure that you're blocking these numbers. And that's about it. That's all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you found this useful. If you did, or if you know someone who's asking you, ki, hey, this kind of numbers or this kind of tasks are coming, should I do this? Please don't get stuck with that, like that 28-year-old man who actually lost 8.6 lakhs, I don't know, in a matter of maybe a few days. That's a lot of hard-earned money gone waste. So take care.